Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat streak. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat streak, you should just go to settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to Snapchat. When you'll enter here, you will go to click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Snapchat. When you find it, then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.